Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome again, students. In the last video, we were discussing how to add two fractions, isn't it? So, if they are unlike fractions, we are first converting it into like fractions, like how we have did in here 10 by 15 and 3 by 15. Okay, so here we had used multiples of multiples which are making denominators equal, isn't it? Here 15, here 15. We made 2 by 3 as 10 by 15 and 1 by 5 as 3 by 15. Okay, so the same this thing you can do it by LCM method. Okay, so how you'll take LCM? You need to take LCM of your denominators. Okay, like this. Already I've studied how to take your LCM, isn't it? So if I take 3 ones 3, okay, and 5 will come as it is. So 5 ones is 5. Okay, so this, if you multiply, you are getting LCM as 15. So you'll take 15 as LCM. Okay, so this 15, it goes by 5, isn't it? So that you need to multiply in the denominator. 2 cross 5 plus 5 is will cut 15 by how much? 3. So in numerator you will multiply it with 3. So 1 cross 3. Okay, so you'll get 10 plus 3 by 15, that is 13 by 15. Okay, now let me take one example and I will do it for by using both the methods. Okay, first by, it's almost same, but this one will it is done by finding the multiples. So in LCM also, first method, you will find LCM of denominator, and then that denominator, how much times it goes with these separate one, you will multiply it in the numerator. Okay, let me take one example. Already you have done all these things in your previous class. We are just looking it once again. Okay, so I will take this. Okay, so number given here, it is 7 plus 7 by 8. Okay, so if I go for by taking multiples of this, how it will be? So what, here it is 8. So if first I will change this into fraction. I can take 7 by 1, isn't it? So here it is 1 in denominator and here it is 8. So to make both the new denominators equal, what we can do, it's easy here. I can just multiply it with 8, right? So it'll here it will become 8. So what I will do, I will multiply this first number 7 by 1 by how much? 8, isn't it? And I can keep this number as it is because already here it is 8, isn't it? So what is your this thing here? So you'll get 7 8s, how much? 7 8s is 56, isn't it? 56 by 8 plus 7 by 8. So this you can write it as how? This is 56 plus 7 divided by 8, because denominators are equal, so it's easy to add now. Just add numerators. Now this has become like fractions, isn't it? So how much it is? 56 plus 7, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Yes, it is 63 by 8. This is how you are doing it, by finding the multiples. If I go for LCM of 1 and 8, what will be your LCM? It will be 8, isn't it? So I will take 8 LCM. Alright. Then what is the next step? So our numbers were 7 by 1 plus 7 by 8. So for this, for denominators, I got 8 LCM. So 1, how many times it will come in 8? It is into 8, isn't it? Plus 8 and 8 gets cancelled. It is 1. Okay. So 7 8s is 56 plus 7 divided by 8. This is again 63 by 8. So this LCM method and fraction method, it one and the same. Just two steps it will be changing. Okay, so we can see more examples in our Zoom meeting, inshallah. Okay. Okay, and the same procedure follows for your subtraction. All right, I will take one example for subtraction. So I've taken this example, okay, for subtraction. So let's do this with the LCM method. 8 6. Okay, so if I take 2 4s 8, 2 3 6, isn't it? So 4 1s 4, then 3 1s 3. Okay, so 4 2s 8, so 24, right? 4 3 is 12, 12 2 12 2 is 24. So LCM is how much? It is 24. Okay. Then this 8, it goes by how much? 8 4s 24, isn't it? So this here 6, how many multiples? 22, 24. It is 6 4s 24, isn't it? Sorry, so it is 1 numerator 1 into 4. So this will be 5 3 is 15 minus 4 by 24. So this will be 11 by 15 minus 4 is how much? 11. 11 by 24. Okay, so this is how you do the subtraction. It's same procedure as for an addition. Alright, so let's move on to the next part, multiplication of fractions, or you can say product of fractions. Okay, so it's very easy. When two fractions are given, you need to just multiply numerator with numerator divided by denominator into denominator. So if the question given is like this, 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4, so numerators you are multiplying 2 cross 3 divided by 5 cross 4. So this is 3 to 6 by 5 4 is 20. So whenever you go for the multiplication or and division, okay, so there is no need for you to make the fractions as like fractions. These two, 2 by 5 and 3 by 4, they are unlike fractions, isn't it? Denominators are different, so they are unlike fractions, isn't it? So there is no need for you to convert this unlike fractions for multiplication and also for division. Alright, so if I take one more example as 1 by 5 multiplied by 2 by 10. So how you'll do that? How you this? It is just 2 cross 1 divided by 5 cross 10. So this is 2 by 50. Okay, so this is 2 by 50. This you can cut this 2 by 50, it will go by 2, 2 ones 2, 2 twos 4, 2 fives 10. So this will be 1 by 25. This you call this as simplest form or lowest form. We will see this further. Okay, so anyway, multiplication is very easy. Directly you are multiplying numerators and then denominators. Okay, so see, for multiplication they will ask you the product of fractions or multiplication of fractions, or they will use one more word called of. Okay, don't get confused when they ask you the question like this. Okay, so if the question is like the product of, like this, product of 6 and 2 by 3, or 6 of 6 of 2 by 3 is also product. 6 of 2 by 3 is nothing but 6 into 2 by 3. Of means it will come in bracket, something like this. Okay, so don't get confused whenever yeah, so when you multiply two fractions together, numerators you multiply directly. If you have a whole number, what you will do, your whole number, you can take this 5 as 5 by 1. This becomes fraction, isn't it? So the same thing as numerator multiplied by numerator divided by a whole denominator multiplication. Okay, so multiplication can be asked in 3 types of questions. That is, they can ask you 6 of 2 by 3, or product of 6 and 2 by 3 is also this, or multiply 6 and 2 by 3, you write like this, isn't it? So if they ask you in any question of, that means you need to do multiplication. Okay. Okay, so what about division of fractions? It's also very simple. First, if you go division of fraction by a fraction only, that is 1 by 2 is a fraction, and it is divided by 2 by 5, which is also a fraction. Okay, so what you will do here in this is, see, we know that my division is just a reverse of multiplication, isn't it? So if what I'll do is, I will take this 1 by 2, okay, and I will convert this sign into multiplication. What it will take, you need to just reverse numerator denominator, that is 5 by 2, it becomes 5 by 2. Now it is very simple, just like multiplication. So numerators you will multiply, divided by denominators multiplication, so it is 5 by 4, isn't it? Okay, I will take one more example for this. If I have 3 by 4 divided by 6 by 2, okay, so what I will do, I will first convert this sign into multiplication. Okay, so how I'll write this will be 3 by 4 into just a reciprocal of this. Okay, it is 6 by 2, so now it will become 2 by 6, because we know that multiplication is division, they are reciprocal of each other, isn't it? So I will take, if I want to convert this into multiplication, I need to just reverse this into 2 as 2 by 6 reciprocal. Okay, so this is nothing but 3 into 2 divided by 6 fours 24. Okay, so here it will be 6, 3 twos 6. Okay, so you can cut this further. 6 fours 24, isn't it? 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24. So you'll have 1 by 4 as your answer. So every time actually you need to keep your answer in the simplest form. Okay, simplest or lowest form. I will show you further. Okay, this was whenever you divide by a fraction. Now a fraction when multiplied by a whole number, how you'll do this? Okay, so when number is given, you are taking this as 8 by 1. Okay, the same as we had seen up. So when this is 8 by 1, what you will do, 8 by 1, so convert this into multiplication. So what you will do for this will be 3 by 7 reciprocal. So now it is easy, 8 by 8 cross 3 by 1 cross 7. Okay, so 8 threes 24 by 7. Okay, this is how you go for multiplication, division of a whole number with a fraction. Okay, so I'll take one more example. I will take a fraction, okay, whole number 4. Okay, this is divided by 2 by 5. Okay, so this I can take it as 4 by 1. Then this is nothing but 4 by 1 multiplied 5 by 2. Okay, this reverse of this is, reciprocal of this is 5 by 2. So what is the answer? 5 fours 20 divided by 2. Okay, so I can cut this 2 ones to 2 tens 20. So this will be 10 by 1. Okay, or 10, it is one and the same. Alright. Okay, so I was talking about simplest form of fractions. Okay, so what is the simplest form? If you have any fraction, okay, like here it is 12 by 18. So this can be cut, right? This 12 and 18 comes in which table? In 2's table, isn't it? 2 6 12, 2 9s 18. So we took 6 and 9. You further, the 6 and 9 comes in 3 table, isn't it? So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So your answer will be 2 by 3. So simplest form of 12 by 18 is what? 2 by 3. So any operations, when you do addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, you need to keep the answer in its simplest form. If you don't keep the answer in simplest form, you are going to lose your marks. Okay. Okay, so let me take one more example to how to get it in its simplest form. So tell me, what will be the simplest form of 18 by 54? Okay, if I go for cutting of this, okay, this will 18 and 54, it will come in two stable, isn't it? So I will take this as 2 nines as 18, and this is 2 twos 4, 2 sevens 14. Okay, now I've got 9 by 27. So 9 by 27, is it there? Both these numbers are in, isn't it? They are in 3 table. So this will be 3 threes 9, 3 sevens 21, 3 8s 24, 3 9s is 27, isn't it? So again it will go in 3 table, 3 1s as 3, 3 3s 9. So this will be 1 by 3. Okay, so simplest form of 18 by 54 is 1 by 3. Alright. Okay, I'll take one more example, like simply. See, we took 18 by 54 here and we got 1 by 3, isn't it? So, this pair 1 by 18 by 54 and 23 by 69, are they equal? Can you determine? Can you find these fractions, they are equal? See, for 18 by 54, how much we got? For this, it is 1 by 3 in the simplest form, isn't it? By using simplest form. So what about 23 by 69? Can you cut this in any table? Directly in 23 table. 23 3s is 69. Yeah, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 6. Yeah. So in 23 table you have 23 ones 3, 23 3s are 69. So this is also 1 by 3. So like this, you'll get some questions. Okay, the two pairs of fractions will be given, so you need to use your simplest form method. Okay, you need to get them in simplest form and determine whether they are equal or not. These two are equal, isn't it? Because this is also one, this fraction will give you in simplest form as 1 by 3, and this also will give you 1 by 3. Okay, this is all about fractions. We will do exercise problems inshallah in our Zoom meeting. Okay, the next part of your unit is